So reporting live at Oro village right now. The police, they said that they came from the state CID. They came to arrest His Majesty the Aro of Arochukwu Kingdom.
Okay, thank you very much. Firstly, it's obvious that from the current happenings in Arochukwu, that some political janjaweeds or political interested people on the throne are trying to manipulate the process of the heirship. So, and they have been trying their best to manipulate and also to paint Arochukwu to tarnish the image of our ancestral throne, which is our identity. Firstly, what happened today is surprising to me and unexpected, because we are in this at early as 9 o'clock that police people with 8 vans of police healers arrive at the palace, tendering in fake warrant letter that the CP from a court, they have an order from a court approved by the CP to arrest His Majesty the 9th Godwin Kanu Idei. After going through the agenda document, we found out that the document is fake and it's crooked, it's illegal, as it's not from a verified source, and we refuse him going there. So it has been a very bout of contention between the people and the men in uniform. So that is all for now.
Alright, so they were not able to arrest the Eze.
Yeah. You know what happened is that they are taking down the Arochukwu Kingdom, ancient kingdom, or they're looking down on Arochukwu ancient kingdom, because this is a kingdom that is the first among the first 3 in the whole of Nigeria. Men of uniform cannot invade the palace of Upper Bini or Shatta of Sokoto or any of Ife to arrest him. So it is a slap to Arochukwu Kingdom if these men in uniform with an illegitimate warrant to take or to rescue His Majesty from the palace. So His Majesty is still here and is safe. He's not going anywhere.
All right, thank you for letting Umu Aro, home and abroad, to know that their king is safe and was not arrested. Now, what do you have to? Do you think? Do you have an idea where this could be coming from?
This we had the idea. We know where it is coming from. It's from the people that think they are kingmakers in Arochukwu. They are people who are really interested to turn Arochukwu ancestral throne as a political, and that is just for election, or is a political position that is being conducted by election. So Arochukwu ancestral throne or stool is not political, and all activities that surround the throne is all highly traditional and sacred. So we are not surprised, because we know people that pride themselves to dine with the state government, and even the state government have showed us that of no doubt that they are really interested in this throne. So we are here. We are here for the identity of Arochukwu. We are here for the tradition of Arochukwu, and we are here for the image of Arochukwu. We will not let anyone to taint or to destroy our image, because we are Bekembo and will remain the same. Ndewo.
Ndewo, Mazi. Now, Adamazi TV would like to know, did the men on uniform that came, did they state the reason for the said arrest that they came to carry out?
Okay, they made a mention that His Majesty has been activities so far has will cause a breach of peace and a crisis in the kingdom, which is surprisingly to us. We are surprised. Really, we are obviously we are surprised that we have not seen the activities or we have not seen his movements or statements that have caused crisis in Arochukwu or that have caused a calamity in Arochukwu. But you know, people can just tend anything just to justify their evil motive, because we were surprised. We told the policemen to list the crises that have befallen Arochukwu from their headquarters or from anywhere. They weren't able to say so. They said that they were sent by the CP and they can only explain in the police headquarters, which is fishing. It's very fishing. It's very fishing, and I don't think it's legitimate. That is, let me not say they are kidnappers, but they acted like kidnappers.
Thank you very much for your time to explain to Adamazi TV as well as the world out there, those who have been following up in this SRO kingship issues. Meanwhile, is there any other thing that you would like to voice out, Mazi?
Okay, you know, Mo, I'm a true son of my father, and I'm a true citizen of Arochukwu, and I know the custom, the tradition, and the cultural heritage of Arochukwu. I would advise these men or these overnight kingmakers who are parading themselves as the legitimate or the illegitimate people to be very careful. And also I will advise the state government to be very careful. Arochukwu really fought for him. He's a product of equity, he's a product of fairness, he's a product of justice. And in Arochukwu, the state government is acting otherwise, which is creating a very big suspense in Arochukwu, because how can a man of which emerge today is fairness, equity, and justice turn around to fight the poor masses because they are not connected or they don't have money? Our eldership of Arochukwu is not being bought by the highest bidder. It's not being bought by how much you know the governor or how much you have in your bank account. There is a laid down procedures, there is a laid down rules for this kingship. And we know the legitimate king has been crowned and the legitimate king has been performing his activities and is doing it perfectly. So let the state government do the needful and stop all this unnecessary tension they are causing to Arochukwu. Because if this continues, Arochukwu will suffer it, Abia State will suffer it, and our country, Nigeria, will suffer it. We all are going to suffer it because of one mistake from people that think they are highly politically connected. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate. Adamazi TV is happy to have you here. Talk with us. Thank you, sir. So go ahead. Go anyị ihe inyevuru n'ebe a.
Ihe anyị vụrụ n'ebe a taa ihe avụtete nza m pụrụ n'ọrụ a maka amụrụ m n'ọrụ a mbihu n'ọrụ a ruo ugbu aga m ihe agbatete n'ọrụ a ihe a wee bu eme wee ihe mere na-arụ taa mekwa n'ime ọrụ na ndị polisi na ndị amị jụrụ ọrụ na wo na-abịa iduru eze arụ.
Ihe dị ya isi na ihe dị agaghị emetụbeghị n'arụ mbụ. Now, as onye nne nọ n'Aro, ndị a ihe inwe ikwu, like mgbe ndị a bịara iduru eze Aro, ha kwuru ihe mere wo ji chọọ iduru eze Aro.
Ihe o kwuru na achọrọ ya n'Ụmụahịa. Ọ ihe o kwuru na achọrọ ya n'Ụmụahịa. Na ihe o ji bịa iduru ya. Anyị sị na ya ma hapụ ya ka ọ gawa Ụmụahịa. Na ya amaghị onye chọrọ ya nọ, anyị amakwanụghị ndị duiriwo.
Okay, so Umu Aro nọgba ebe a mgbe wo bịara bụ ihe si na na eze ama esowe aga.
Yes, eze ama esowe aga maka eze Aro wụ ihe nlereanya dịrị Aro niile, dịkwara mba ụwa niile. Anaghị aza ma ọ wụ iwu polisi wụ gọvanọ ma iwu amị ịbịa eduru eze Aro durukwa ya hụ kwamkwam pụwa. Anyị sịkwa na ome eme and omegị.
Mandewo, anyị laikere aga ịza enye anyị information a. Biko, asa onye nne, ndị a ihe inwe ikwu maka ndị na-agba na-eme ihe ndị a niile ji adị aga. Because isi na ụdị ihe emete mbụ n'Aro. So ndị a ihe inwe ịgwa ndị na-eme ka ihe a na-eme ugbu a, ndị a ihe inwe ịgwawo.
Ihe m nwere ịgwawo bụ na ihe awo na-eme ọ jọrọ njọ ebe ọ dị ukwuu. Ihe awo ebu eme ometute. Na ihe m na-ekwukwara wo bụ wepụ aka na ihe awo na-eme. Na mmadụ anaghị anapụ mmadụ ihe ruwere ya nụnụ. A ga-ama iji ihe ọ na ịma nọ nke go onwe. Mmadụ azakwa ha ebe ọ zabụkwa na ya ma anapụghị ya. Anaghị emeje aga ma ihe ọhụ na ọ naghị adịje mma mmadụ iwere ihe na-awụghị nke ya. Onye ihe ruoro gị hapụrụ ya ihe ruoro ya nụ ka o were ihe ruoro ya nụ jigidesie ya ike mee ya ga chọrọ ka o mee ya.
Ndị Aro nọ na mba na-ele ihe a, ndị a ihe inwe okwu nkasi obi inwe ịgwa ha maka enyi nde, because isi nọ enyi nde nọ ebe a bụ ihe si mba onwe ebe a ma kpọrọ eze waga. So ndị okwu encouragement ị na-enye ndị Aro nọ na mba dị iche iche.
Okwu na-enye ha ime ka obi sie ike bụ aga anyị ndị nọwa n'Aro a na ihe ọhụụ na-emekwanụ aga aza dowe ya ntọala Aro maka sị enwere ntọala dị n'Aro a and aga nke ọma dị na anyị ndị agajeghị ikwe ka ihe na-anaghị emebu mewe na ọ bụghị n'ivu anyị ka ọ ma eme. Ihe ọbụla nna nna anyị ha dowere agawo dowere ya wụ aga ọma dị wu nke ezi ya wụkwanụ nke anyị na-eso and ịbịa hapụ ihe ọhụ nna nna anyị dowere mewe ihe ọdọ aka m adịkwa gị n'ihi na ndị isi Aro nwekwara ike ịbịa ụgwọ jụọ gị ajụjụ ihe ikwe mee ihe ahụ na-ekwesịghị ime. Akacha njọ ihe a bụ ihe omenala, ihe gbasara eze. Ọ bụghị ihe a na-eji amị, ọ bụghị ihe a na-eji polisi, ọ bụghị ihe gọvanọ na-abịa, ọ bụghị ihe prezidenti na-abịa, anaghị eme ya aga ọhụ. Ihe a bụ ihe omenala, ana m esokwa ya n'ụzọ omenala emekwa ya aga ọma dị mma, ọ dịrị onye ukwu mma, ọ dịrị onye nta mma.
Ndewo mma. Na mmechi onwe ozi okwu ikpeazụ ichi ikwu just dị gị n'obi ịchọ nnọọ ka ụwa niile nụ maka ihe a niile na ihe eme nza.
Okwu ikpeazụ m chọrọ ikwu bụ ana m asị onye nye were ice block ka m sụọ bekee tinye n'obi ya na udo wụ ihe anyị chọrọ n'Aro. O nwere abụ ndị Aro na-abụwo national anthem ndị Aro. Wosi onye ukwu biri n'udo, onye nta biri n'udo, onye ọbụla biri n'udo, ka anyị biri n'udo. Udo wụ ihe anyị chọrọ and udo wụkwa na ihe machi anyị n'Aro. Udo ka anyị chọrọ. Ọfọ.
Ndewo.